Welcome to my study channel. Friends, our today's topic is CTET Child Pedagogy. These are one-liner questions and have been taken from the previous year exams. So, give focus on these questions. Let's start from question number 1. Question number 1 is the statement men are generally more intelligent than women. Here, the answer is shows gender bias. Friends, the meaning of bias is पक्षपात, झुकाव. ठीक है, तो इसमें जो है द स्टेटमेंट मैन आर जनरली मोर इंटेलिजेंट देन वुमेन, इसमें क्या दिखता है, शोज जेंडर बाइस, यानी कि यहाँ पे जो लिंग के नाम पे जो है क्या दिखता है, पक्षपात या फिर भेदभाव दिखता है या फिर झुकाव दिखता है. ठीक है, सो दिस इज द राइट आंसर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 इज अ गुड टेक्स्ट बुक अवॉइड्स. आंसर इज जेंडर बायस. जो एक अच्छी टेक्स्ट बुक होती है उसमें जो है अवॉइड क्या किया जाता है, उसमें जेंडर बायस, उसमें जो है लिंग के नाम पे भेदभाव या जो है पक्षपात नहीं किया जाता. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 इज हाउ टीचर्स एंड स्टूडेंट्स डैश जेंडर इन द क्लासरूम डैश द लर्निंग एनवायरनमेंट. सो हियर द आंसर इज construct comma impacts. How teacher and students construct gender in the classroom impacts the learning environment. So this is the right answer. Question 4 is in science practicals boys generally take control of apparatus and ask girls to record data or wash utensils. This tendency reflects that stereotyping of masculine and feminine roles takes place in schools too. ठीक है, ये चीज दर्शाती है इसके बारे में. यहाँ पे एक बार फिर देख लेते हैं इसको. In science practicals, boys generally take control of apparatus and ask girls to record data or wash utensils. उनको जो है बोलते हैं या तो बर्तन साफ कर लो या फिर जो है आप जो डाटा है उसको रिकॉर्ड करो. This tendency reflects that क्या stereotyping of masculine and feminine roles take place in school also. So this is the right answer. Features assigned due to social roles and not due to biological endowment are called. Features assigned due to social roles and not due to biological endowments are called gender role stereotypes. Answer is gender role stereotypes. A lot of debates surrounds whether girls and boys have specific sets of abilities due to their genetic materials. Which one of the following are you most likely to agree with in this context? Friends, I have written only answer. Here the answer is girls are socialized to be caring while boys are discouraged to show emotions such as crying. This is the right answer. Question number 6 is gender bias refers to. Here the answer is differential treatment of boys and girls based on expectations due to cultural attitudes. Here this question is important. Gender bias refers to. Answer is differential treatment of boys and girls based on expectations due to cultural attitudes. Question number 7 is a textbook of class 8 has the following illustrations: women as teacher and maids and men as doctors and pilots. This type of depiction likely to promote gender stereotyping. ठीक है, this is the right answer. Gender norms are often constructed by society too. Gender norms are often constructed by society to satisfy its needs. Answer is satisfy its needs. When a boy started crying because he was hit by a bigger boy, the bigger boy said, "Don't cry like a girl." The reason for his comment would be, answer is because he feels that only girls should cry. कि सिर्फ जो है लड़कियों को ही चिल्लाना चाहिए. Attitudes and expectations regarding gender roles are based on. Answer is stereotype. Attitudes and expectations regarding gender roles are based on stereotype. So question number 11 is dash may be misunderstood by teachers. Dash may be misunderstood by teachers. Answer is quiet and studious boys. उसके बारे में है Girls who are undisciplined in class. Friends, here option A and B both are the answers. Okay. Now let's move to question number 12. Co-educational schools dash आंसर इज प्रमोट जेंडर इक्वालिटी। जो को एजुकेशनल स्कूल होते हैं वो प्रमोट क्या करते हैं? जेंडर इक्वालिटी को प्रमोट करते हैं। एन इम्पॉर्टेंट एक्शन डिस्प्लेइंग जेंडर इक्वालिटी इज एन important action displaying gender equality is answer is providing the same opportunities to both men and women. Question number 14 is it is popularly said that if we educate women the whole society will become educated. This is due to the social image of women. Answer is the social image of women. This question is important, friends. It is popularly said that if we educate women, the whole society will become educated. This is due to the social image of women. Question number 15 is boys learn from their families how to be a good son, brother, husband, and father. This learning results due to the process of dash. Answer is socialization. Friends, here we have completed 15 important questions. Thanks for watching this video. Prepare well, perform well. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get our latest videos. Friends, काफ़ी मेहनत लगती है वीडियो बनाने में, तो प्लीज़ आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए। इसमें आपका कोई पैसा नहीं कट होगा। सो थैंक्स फ्रेंड्स, बाय बाय।